Apple is coming to Pakistan. Yes, you heard that right. American tech giant Apple is set to begin iPhone manufacturing in the country under a newly finalized mobile and electronics manufacturing framework prepared by the Engineering Development Board. The policy is now headed to Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif for approval. So what exactly is happening? Let's break it down. Under the proposed framework, Apple will repair and refurbish 2 to 3 year old iPhones in Pakistan and then re-export them. The government expects $100 million in the first year alone from these refurbished exports. In the longer term, officials say refurbished mobile re-exports could reach $400 million annually. Now, this isn't a random experiment. According to the Engineering Development Board, Apple used the same model in Indonesia, Malaysia and India. First repairs, then workforce training, then gradual movement towards manufacturing. Pakistan wants to follow that same sequence. But there are conditions. Apple has asked for discounted land, an increase in the performance incentive from 6% to 8%, and formal policy approval to refurbish older iPhones. The Engineering Development Board has confirmed that these demands have been incorporated into the proposed framework. The performance incentive for mobile manufacturers will now rise to 8%, and the government is putting serious money behind the shift. A 56 billion rupees technology investment fund is being established to promote local manufacturing of mobile phones and electronic devices. On top of that, an export levy of up to 6% will be imposed on phones priced above 100,000 rupees. The government expects to collect 62 billion rupees, which will be used to support localization and technology upgrade. Right now, only 12% of mobile phone components are locally produced in Pakistan. Under the new policy, manufacturers have indicated they will increase local content to 35% in the first year and later push it to 50%. And Apple isn't the only investment in sight. The Engineering Development Board says Pakistan is also expecting $557 million from Chinese companies in mobile manufacturing. So what's the bigger picture? The government's stated goal is to turn Pakistan into a regional hub for mobile and electronics exports, not just smartphones, but laptops, tablets, watches, trackers and earbuds as well. The framework has already been reviewed at a high level. Now it awaits final approval from the Prime Minister. If cleared, this could mark a major shift in Pakistan's mobile and electronics sector.